quick tutorial for you guys. If you want to connect your ManyChat account to your Instagram and you're having trouble, this might be able to help you out. I've connected plenty of client accounts. It's one of the many softwares I use for my business, ExtremFlo Automation. We pretty much build AI appointment setters, AI chatbots, data cleaners, a variety of use cases. So if you're interested in that, there'll be a link to my website in the description. But without any further ado, let's get started. So first you sign into ManyChat and you're getting ready to sign in, and then you'll click sign in with Facebook and move on from there. But before that, there's a few key things you need to make sure you have. So first things first, the Instagram page that you want to connect, so this is mine, right? You have to go here into settings and you have to make sure it is a professional account or a business account, right? So professional account, so product, service, you can put in your information, it doesn't matter, nobody's going to see it. So that's the first thing. Then you have to make sure it's linked to a Facebook page. So Facebook, I'll put up a little image, but you have your main profile, you have your page, and under your page you can have an Instagram connected to a page, right? So personal profiles won't work with this. Trust me, I've tried. So make sure you have a page like this, and then in order to make sure that the Instagram is connected, you're going to go here, go into page settings, and then linked accounts, Instagram. If it's not here, you could link your account here, allow access to Instagram message inbox. Yep. And then if you go into new page experience, you go to advanced messaging. Here will be where your ManyChat permissions are, right? And this will autofill. You don't have to worry about this. So now that you have that connected, oops, another client. Now that you have that connected, you'll see something like this here on your business suite. Perfect. Now you can go into ManyChat. You can sign in with your Facebook. This is your Facebook profile that the page is under. And then you'll be able to see here. Right. So since I already connected my Facebook, it's already here. But here I can connect through Instagram, which they might make me log in. Not at all, because my page is already connected. So I'm going to connect here. Done. Now, if you're having trouble with, like, when you already have an Instagram page connected and for some reason the automation is triggering, but it's like not going to completion, it's not sending any messages, I've spoken with their support through ManyChat. Here's what you have to do. You have to go to settings and remove Instagram from the ManyChat account, right? And then also you have to go back to the permissions. Where was this? Right here. Edit these permissions, remove ManyChat. So you have to go to business integrations, remove ManyChat from your account, and then make sure that this other stuff was not populated where they had the link. So basically disconnect ManyChat from the account. Then once it's disconnected and the Instagram version of the account is deleted, then you reconnect it, and then it'll be fine. It needed like a refresh or something. And on ManyChat, they have also something down here. If you're having trouble with anything else, try and refresh permissions first before you start panicking. So it's a simple refresh permissions. It takes a few seconds. Done. Page connection was successfully reloaded. So yep, that's all that there is to that. I hope that helped some of you guys out. Again, if you're interested or you need more ManyChat help, just drop a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer it from my knowledge. And yeah, hope you guys have a good day.